Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to unsubscribe from Microsoft promotional emails or newsletters. Open your favorite browser. Go to Microsoft.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or email address. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign In. You are signed into your Microsoft account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page and select My Microsoft Account to access your account dashboard. Click on Your Info in the top menu bar. Now, in the Account Info section, you can find your primary and secondary email addresses. Click on the Communication Preferences next to it. Click on the checkbox that says Don't send any promotional emails or newsletters. Click Save to apply the changes. That's it, changes has been applied. Similarly, you can set the communication preferences for other email addresses as well. This is how you can unsubscribe from Microsoft promotional emails or newsletters. Thank you for watching.